homemade ice cream using freezer bags. Check it out. Cup of heavy cream. 2 vanilla extract. A little bit of chocolate. Mix it all together. Crushed ice. Smaller freezer bag in with a gallon. More crushed ice. Some salt. That salt and crushed ice makes things super Arctic crazy cold. So I had to wrap it in a towel so I won't freeze my hands. I'm pretty sure after doing all this shaking, it's a workout. Don't worry, I'm pretty sure that renders this ice cream fat-free, dietary ice cream. You'll actually lose weight with this little hack. Whew, tell you that ice salt mixture is freezing through the towel even. You definitely want to have gloves or towels on hand for little ones to help you out doing this. The kids are going to have a blast with this. Oh wow, look at that. Look in there. That is pure perfect-y ice cream. Don't miss out on some awesome summertime fun. I'm telling you, this stuff is delicious. Easy, homemade ice cream. You and your kids are going to enjoy making it. A great summertime treat. It's so quick and easy. Make sure you use a good quality freezer bags because they'll bust on you. Then you just shake the heck out of it. I probably shook for maybe 10 minutes total. Make sure you have little gloves for the kids or towels because that bag is going to get super Arctic cold with that salt and ice mixture. That's what makes the ice cream turn into ice cream. That's super cold. But it's delicious, fun, easy. I'm telling you, make any flavor you want. Peach, strawberry, banana. You can do anything you want. Be creative with it. It's that easy. Homemade ice cream in Ziploc baggies. If you don't do any of the hacks that I've ever shown you, this is the one you want to try. Here you go, folks. Thanks for watching as always. Smash that like button for me, hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and share this video.